Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your trusted source for honest mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into the new Oukitel WP23 Pro, a rugged smartphone that's built to survive extreme conditions without sacrificing modern features. If you're looking for durability, power, and value, stay tuned. This might be the phone for you. Design and build quality. The Oukitel WP23 Pro stands out with its ultra-rugged construction. Certified with IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD810H ratings, this device is designed to withstand water, dust, drops, and even extreme temperatures. The tough polycarbonate frame, reinforced corners, and textured back offer both durability and grip, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, workers, and adventurers. Display and performance. On the front, the WP23 Pro features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a resolution that's decent for daily tasks and media consumption. Under the hood, it runs on a MediaTek Helio G85 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. Whether it's multitasking, gaming, or heavy apps, the WP23 Pro handles it smoothly for its class. Battery and software. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 10,600 mAh battery. You can expect multiple days of usage on a single charge, perfect for remote work or long outdoor trips. It supports 18W fast charging, minimizing downtime. On the software side, the device ships with Android 13, offering a clean and responsive user experience without unnecessary bloatware. Camera capabilities. The WP23 Pro is equipped with a 48 megapixels main camera and a 2 megapixels macro lens. While it's not aiming to replace flagship camera phones, it delivers clear and detailed shots in good lighting conditions. The 8 megapixels front camera handles selfies and video calls adequately, making it a well-rounded choice for casual photography. Final verdict. The Oukitel WP23 Pro is a powerhouse built for those who need more than just a fragile smartphone. Its rugged design, solid performance, incredible battery life, and practical features make it a standout option under a budget-friendly price tag. If you're someone who needs a tough companion without compromising usability, the WP23 Pro deserves serious consideration. Outro. Thanks for tuning into ReviewMobile. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest mobile reviews. See you in the next video. Would you like a slightly longer or a more promotional version too?